Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you guys all doing fine. Today I'm drawing Harry Potter. I hope that you all know Harry Potter. Almost all the 20s kids know that Harry Potter. Who doesn't know them? Who doesn't know him? So I thought that let's draw him today. And the time maybe you're thinking that it's too light color. Actually it was dark color my sketches, but for the lighting it is not looking that good, so I'm sorry for the lighting. At first you have to draw the shape of the face like this. I didn't edit it that much. I just erased a lot. I mean, I'm not a professional. I'm trying to be a professional about sketching and drawing. I'm trying as hard as I can. I'm drawing regularly nowadays. I'm drawing regularly, daily, every day. I'm drawing right now. For the eyes, at first you have to draw the circle. Then you have to draw the shape of the eye. I'm erasing a lot and I'm sorry for that, but I guess I'm not that professional right now, so that's why I need to erase a lot, and I hope I will be better in the future. But for that I have to keep drawing these things. Here I'm using a normal HB pencil. You can use any kind of pencil. If you have a mechanical pencil, then it's uh, it's better because you don't need to sharpen your pencil again and again for the sharpness of the pencil. But I don't have that mechanical pencil, but I'll buy that soon. Hope I'll be able to draw it because I am used to it in this pencil thing, and I will start with mechanical pencil. I hope it will be fine. Now I'm drawing the eyebrows. I have used reference pick. I am not using any imagination for this. I am using a reference pick. If you are drawing from I'm sorry, I'm erasing a lot for this pic. Actually, this is true. I erase a lot. That's why you should not put a harsh line. You should not put too much pressure with your pencil, because if you put too much pressure with your pencil, then you will create harsh lines, like too much dark lines, and you will be unable to remove it, and it will be too hard for you to remove those lines. That's why you have to use your pencil with soft hand. Use it with light pressure. It will be better for you. I really like to draw these glasses. I don't know why, but I really love to draw these lines. I mean glasses. Now I'm drawing the nose. Draw a little bit triangle. Draw a little triangle. At first I'm using a SB pencil, but after this I'm gonna use a 4B pencil for darker shade, and now I'm using a cotton bud to blend that out. If you have a blending stamp, then you can use it. If you don't have cotton bud, if you don't have blending stamp, then you can use tissue paper to blend it. You can use also makeup brushes, I mean brushes, those kind of brushes to blend it out. Now for the lip, at first draw two dot like this. It's okay if you erase a lot when you draw something and you erase a lot. It's okay, because if you are a beginner, then it's normal. You are not a pro right now, but you are a beginner. If you are a beginner, then it's okay to erase a lot. It's totally fine. And what will happen if you are a pro and you use eraser? It's normal. It's just a pencil, and you have to erase those lines that you are not. You are feeling that these are not okay, and you have to make it correct. It's okay and it's normal. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please, please, please guys, please subscribe my channel, and please do share, comment and like, because your like can encourage me a lot to draw and continue my channel. Your like, your comments means a lot to me. And if you want, then you can also visit my Instagram page for more art. Now I am using a 4B pencil for the hair. At first, the way I'm drawing the hairs, the strokes. If you are a really beginner, then you will feel little bit trouble to draw these strokes. When I was at first, when I was early, and in this sketch world, I was feeling so much trouble to draw it, to sketch these strokes. At first you have to practice it, but I didn't practice it. I was drawing. At first I started drawing, I started doing these strokes, and these were not perfect, and I understand, and day by day it's becoming better, and I'm happy for that. So if you are a beginner, then don't get upset if you are not able to put proper stroke, because day by day it will be better. Trust me and trust yourself, and please don't forget to love yourself, guys. Please support yourself. Please love yourself. Please priorities rights, I mean please prioritize yourself. If you love it, if you want it, then do it. Because day by day, when you will do practice a lot, you will be able to get the stroke properly with the pencil. Practice makes man perfect. Please remember that. And you need to do a lot of practice, and it's okay, and because it's worth it. You need time, it's worth it. Trust me, you will be able to draw. Trust yourself too that you will be able to draw these things. Now I'm drawing the eyebrows with the same strokes. If you have any kind of problem, then if you want to tell me, then you can DM me by my Instagram. I will check your DM. If you have any kind of question, or if you need any kind of help, just ask me. If I can do it, if I can help you, then I will definitely do it. If you have 8B, 10B or charcoal pencil, you can use those pencil too, because I don't have it, that's why I don't use it, but I will buy one. I'm trying to buy one because right now not that good with art, that's why I'm not using those pencils. But after, when I feel that yes, I am now able to do it, then I'll start using those pencils too. But if you have it, then you can use it, and you don't need to have a perfect paper for to draw. If you have any kind of normal paper, you can use it to draw. You don't have to use best pencil, best paper to draw. You just need a good wish, a strong heart, strong thinking, strong mindset, strong idea to do it. Like this, I'm drawing those under eyes. Now I'm drawing the leaves. I have done tutorials on how to draw nose, how to draw lips, and how to draw eye. If you want, then you can find this on my channel. If you want, then you can check that out. But in future, I will have more videos about drawing lips, noses, and eyes. So don't worry about it. Just keep practicing, you will be better someday. Trust me. For the cloth, I am just shading with the pencil. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting. Because of the lighting you are feeling trouble to watch it, and I'm sorry for that. From next time I'll be careful about it. But in real it's looking darker, but because of the light it's looking lighter. But actually when you will draw it with pencils using 4B and HB, then you will get it that it's looking darker enough. Now blend it out with a cotton bar or whatever you have to blend it out. See, now it's looking darker. Now I am using white fluid to highlight the nose, lips and eyes. If you have white gel pen, then you can use it to highlight, but I don't have it, that's why I am using white fluid to highlight these parts. Highlighting is important. It makes your painting living. That I feel like it gives the lives in your painting. That's what I feel. If you want, then you can use it, but I want to tell you that it's better if you use the highlighting part. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.